Hello, students. I have decided, since we have not had school in a while, that I'm not going to try to do that informative prompt essay with you all. I think it's more beneficial anyway that we do the research project and you actually get a chance to learn how to do research on your own and formulate your opinion about something that matters to you rather than, my just giving you a prompt to fill the bill and say we covered this before Tennessee Ready. So I'm going to scrap the info prompt that we talked about, and we're just going to go ahead and do the American Dream project the same way that my kids last semester did it when we didn't have Tennessee Ready so much earlier. So to begin, we have been talking about the American Dream. You've been reading Of Mice and Men, and you're getting a sense of some of the common things that people associate with the American Dream. Things like owning their own property, home ownership, land ownership. You see that a lot in the book. Things like freedom, working for yourself, doing what you want to do. And then, of course, there are other things like education, which you could certainly write a lot about education right now. Education, freedom of religion, freedom of thought, all of those things that we saw in our dystopian unit that were prohibited, things like that. So you can begin to think about what the American Dream is, but that's not what you're going to argue. You're going to argue whether or not the American Dream is actually an attainable reality. So even though we're reading some things together, I want you to have the opportunity to find things for yourself. And rather than forcing you to write about stuff that I find, I want you to find it for yourself. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at the pathfinders that are available to you for the American Dream research paper. You're going to begin by going to DB's website, and you're going to go to the library page by clicking on Academics and going down to DB Library. And of course you are going to click on English. And once you do that, you are going to see several different things pop up. We're going to click on the American Dream Pathfinder. And I want you to spend a little bit of time just reading about the American Dream. We've done a couple of common lit articles about that. You're reading your American Dream book that has some sort of issue, hopefully, that is emerging for you. But you might want to start and just read this article about what is the American Dream to get a good idea of what people normally think of when they think of it. But ultimately, you're going to define the American Dream however you want to define it in your essay and then argue whether or not it is attainable. You're not going to argue about what it is, okay? But in order to argue whether or not it's attainable, you should spend some time learning what it is. And then there's a couple of videos that you can watch. If you scroll down, oh, by the way, these videos aren't required, but they're interesting if you want to take a look at them. If you scroll down, there is a slam poem, if you are a fan of slam poetry. And even if you're not a fan of slam poetry, this gentleman does a really good job at talking about some issues in America today. He talks about positives and he also talks about negatives. So it's kind of a broad spectrum look that looks at both sides. So you might want to check that out. So once you look at the videos, you can click on the first database I suggest, Student Resources in Context. And when you do that, make sure that you are signed in to Google. I've already signed in, so it has my name here, so you can go ahead and sign into Google. And the reason you want to do that is so if you find articles that you want to save, you should be able to sync everything to your Google Drive. Okay? So in the search bar, we're going to go ahead and type in American Dream. And once you really start reading about this, you may find an area of focus that you want to write about. For instance, you might want to write about homelessness in America and how that impacts the American Dream, or homelessness and poverty. Or maybe you want to write about the medical world and how, can we really live the American dream if we are ill-equipped to handle medical emergencies? That would certainly be applicable right now. But after you do some researching, you can narrow it down if you want to. You can talk about more than one topic of the American dream, or maybe you just want to talk about education in America and how it impacts the American dream. I know that last year you might have done a social issues project, and perhaps you want to talk about that social issue that you researched. Maybe you researched homelessness last year, and you want to write about that in context of the American dream. Maybe you're interested in human rights, and you see some groups in America that are not achieving the American dream as much as other groups. So it's really going to be up to you, okay? But when I click on, or when I type in, rather, American dream in quotation marks, everything I should get back should be a return that actually has those terms together, okay? So when your first article comes up, you won't see all of it. You'll have to click read more. But I want you to notice down here that you've got 5 featured articles. Those are usually really good, so you might want to check those out. You've got 56 reference articles. There's some biographies, magazines, critical essays. I would avoid those. Sometimes students want to write about critical essays on literature that has to do with the American dream, and that's not really what we're after. But you can check all of this out. News is probably pretty good. Academic journals, images might be something you could use. There's more videos. So I'm going to click on the featured content. I'm going to start there. The American Dream in the 21st Century. That might be something good to read. The American Dream, one block can make all the difference. It says, now is geography destiny? Does the place where you were born and raised determine how far you will get in life? That sounds pretty interesting. The transformation of the American dream, the myth, so you can tell this person is going to be saying that it's not attainable. U.S. kids, now less likely to earn more than their parents. So there's some good stuff here. Okay, so let's say that I am interested in this. One block can make all the difference. I'm going to click on that. And maybe I want to just go ahead and send this to my drive. Okay, so you can click on that and it should automatically be in your Google Drive when you go to look for it. Let's suppose that you read this article and you're like, yeah, I'm definitely going to use this in my research paper. There's an easy way to get this into the Noodle Tools project that we will start. And you can click on Cite to do it. And you see here there's Noodle Tools. We'll be exporting everything to Noodle Tools. So I'm going to do another video to get you into Noodle Tools. You may have used it last year. But I just wanted to make you aware that it's really easy to cite from these pathfinders. So here is my citation. I don't have to worry about doing the citation. I will export it to my Noodle Tools project once I start that, and my Noodle Tools will actually build my works cited page. So if you didn't use Noodle Tools last year, you are in for a treat because it does a lot of that work for you. Organizing everything on your works cited, getting all of your citations together for you. It's really a great tool to use. You also have some other tools here. You can check those out. But we will start Noodle Tools. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to start your Noodle Tools project and how to take notes on your documents. We can do note cards, or you can, once you save everything to your Google Drive, you can actually go there and make your notes right in the article. So in this video, just to recap, I showed you how to use the Pathfinders on the DB Library page to find your articles, to read about the American Dream, and then maybe start finding some good articles that you would like to use when you write your research paper. Thank you all. Tune in for the next one.